Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for an amazing and beautiful home? Well, look no more. This 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom home is beautiful, well kept, and ready to be occupied. It is located at Nuevo Circle, St. Mary. It sits on 0.25 acres of land. The downstairs consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, family room, and helper's quarters. Upstairs consists of the very spacious and relaxed master suite, bathroom with jacuzzi, kitchenette, wraparound balcony with picturesque sea view, and a 1 bedroom self-contained flat. The yard is well fruited with breadfruit, coconuts, mangoes, ackees, naseberries, and pears, etc. Easy access to the beach and nearby amenities. Come make this home your dream home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 639,000 or Jamaican $98.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.